Metal Craft Machining has over 30 years of experience in manufacturing precision parts to its customers' exact specifications. With 3-axis, 4-axis, or 5-axis milling machines, along with CNC lathes, turning centers, and vertical milling machines, the professional CNC engineers at Metalcraft have machined parts for a wide variety of industries. At Metalcraft Machining, one of our core values is to reinvest heavily into our equipment, software, and people to ensure that we can continue to deliver the highest quality machined parts in North America. CNC machining services are engineered to provide world-class products with unmatched quality, and our value-added services give us the flexibility to integrate many additional services with our precision machining and manufacturing to give our customers what they need from one supplier.